Right, welcome to the channel. It's 10 o'clock, Great Yarmouth seafront. Just a quick video of what's happening now, today. Hope you're all enjoying all the old photos I've been putting on. I'm going to do some new content now, so some new videos of the seafront and some new photos of the seafront as well. So this is the first video I'm putting on. So I'm just taking this from my phone. See the big wheels got its carriages back on, so that's reopened now for Easter week. Quite a nice morning, the sun's out. Obviously a little bit cold, but it's not a bad morning. Amusements are just opening up. Good Friday this Friday, so who's coming for Easter? So that's the seafront this morning. There will be some more videos to come with me walking down the seafront, going up Regent Road, up to the marketplace and Hemsby as well this week. So keep an eye out for those. I'll speak to you all soon.